Hello fellas, John here to help you learn more about pressure ulcer and why this alternating pressure mattress might just be what you're looking for. Now, what is a pressure sore? Well, pressure sore or ulcer is an area of injured skin that develops due to prolonged pressure in any one area of our body. Now what happens is that your blood vessel is compressed for an extended period without relief. And the blood vessel can't therefore deliver a good amount of oxygen to these pressure areas, and your skin can get injured and suffocate. Now you will see initial signs of this as reddened skin, and when it's left untreated, can worsen significantly and lead to open ulcers. Now you want to avoid that as much as possible by addressing it early on. Now an open sore takes long to heal and can be very, very painful for you or loved ones suffering from it. It can also get infected, and you might just end up with an expensive and unpleasant trip to the hospital. Now, what this Astrada alternating pressure mattress does is that it addresses the problem early on, before these painful ulcers have a chance to develop. Now it works by automatically having different air cells alternatively being filled with air, so that the areas with extended pressure now gets relief, and your skin can get better blood supply. Now this is the exact same technology we use in hospitals to help prevent our high-risk patients from getting pressure sore. Now this pressure mattress would be suitable for those who have to lie in bed for an extended period of time, like people who've had recent surgery or anyone caring for someone frail that cannot turn regularly. Now as we like to say, prevention is better than a cure. So consider this: if you or loved ones are at risk of developing pressure sores. As sad as it may sound, it happens, it's out there. We are here to help. Thanks for listening. I hope I've helped educate you, and have a wonderful day.